What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to add a duplicate contact in your contact list for the Mailchimp. I hope you find the video very helpful at the end of the video, but make sure that you go to the link in the description and it will lead you to the dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the audience on the left hand side. Once you click on the audience over here, as my mouse navigated over here. So, uh, always maintain one audience, primary audience list in your MailChimp. Because if you have two lists or maybe three lists, and if there is an email in all of these three lists, then it will cost you three times. Because MailChimp take list as a separate entity rather than it doesn't check that if this contact is in the first list, then ignore the payment. If a contact, if the email is in the list 1, list 2, list 3, it will be charged three times. Even if the contact receives the same email three times, it will still charge you three different times. So make sure that you only maintain one primary audience rather than going for different lists. I hope you find this video helpful because before I end the video, let me actually tell you guys how to add a single list. Go to the list. If you have a CSV file, just click on that, drag and drop, and then you will be able to create a one single list. But if you can, for the free plan, you can do 250 contacts. If you make like 100 contact lists for the one list, then 100 for the second list and 50 for the third list, and there is an email that is in all those three lists, then you will be charged three times for the single email. I hope that makes sense to you. Take care. Bye.